Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll cover the last 30 miles of I-94 in North Dakota. Well, almost the last 30 miles. We'll detour on the I-94 business loop through Medora, so we'll miss a couple of miles there. We begin at mile marker 30 in Billings County. Here we take exit 27 to the city of Medora. The eastern end of the business loop can only be accessed from westbound I-94 with the opposite at the western end. Medora is the county seat and only incorporated place in Billings County. Medora had an estimated population of 128, which is 14% of the population of the entire county. Much of the surrounding area is part of either Little Missouri National Grassland or Theodore Roosevelt National Park, which is accessed from within the city limits. Medora was founded in 1883 along the transcontinental rail line of the Northern Pacific Railway by French nobleman Marquis de Morez, who named the city after his wife Medora von Hoffman. Marquis de Morez wanted to ship refrigerated meat to Chicago via the railroad. He built a meat packing plant for this purpose and a house named the Chateau de Morez, which is now a museum. On the evening of April 7, 1903, President Theodore Roosevelt, who had visited and invested in ranches in the area in the 1880s, visited Medora on a presidential tour of the western United States. Most of the Badlands residents turned out to greet him on his whistle stop. Roosevelt later recalled that the entire population of the Badlands, down to the smallest baby, had gathered to meet him. A local hotel changed its name that same year to the Rough Riders Hotel, for the nickname given to the 1st United States Volunteer Cavalry, a regiment commanded by Roosevelt in the 1890s. In 1986, the hotel was purchased and operated by the Theodore Roosevelt Medora Foundation. The city of Medora is also home to the popular Medora musical, and the city has become one of the most popular tourist attractions in the state. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out, and hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. Back on I-94, it begins to rain, and we make the last push to get to Montana, just to add a state to our list of visited states. We enter Golden Valley County, which had an estimated population of 1,769 as of 2018. In the general election held November 8, 1910, the voters of Billings County chose to separate the western portion of Billings and form a new county. This result was immediately challenged in court. On September 19, 1912, the North Dakota Supreme Court upheld the election result. Therefore, the legislature completed the county's organization on November 13, 1912. Golden Valley was called Rattlesnake Flats by early settlers due to the large number of snakes found in the area. The region was dubbed Golden Valley in 1902 after a group of land surveyors noticed that the sunlight gave the surrounding grasses a distinct golden color. Exit 18 leads to Buffalo Gap, which isn't a city or unincorporated community, but a ranch offering full-service lodging with a restaurant and lounge, camper hookups, and dry campsites, plus extra stock and arena facilities. From their website, get up close and personal with some of the most spectacular scenery in the West. After an adventurous day in the Badlands, rest yourself in one of our 27 modern furnished air-conditioned rooms built on a rustic log cabin style, or hook up to services on one of our camper sites. Exit 10 leads to Camel Hump Lake, which is nestled among rolling hills and buttes, intermingled with farmland and grassland. There are many animal species for viewing, primitive camping, fishing, picnic areas, and non-motorized boating. Exit 7 is labeled Home on the Range, which is a therapeutic working ranch providing education, therapy, spiritual guidance, and recreational and work activities for youth who have experienced physical or emotional trauma. Exit 1 leads to the city of Beach, the county seat of Golden Valley County. Beach was incorporated in 1909 and had an estimated population of 1,051 as of 2018. Now we cross the border into Montana, and we're just going to the first exit where we'll finish our coverage of the main line of I-94. We'll have a few more videos of the I-94 business routes that we haven't already covered. The rest of I-94 will have to wait for another trip to the Midwest. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.